2024 marks 70 years of the Mercedes-Benz SL model range. As the UK's leading Mercedes-Benz restorer, we felt it was our duty to celebrate this occasion. We're delighted to be pairing up with Group 1 Mercedes-Benz and our sister business Hilton Coachworks, the UK's largest manufacturer-approved Mercedes-Benz body shop, to be holding an amazing event tonight for clients and friends. We've got all 7 generations of SL on show, so we can't wait to enjoy the evening and share these beautiful cars.
Can you replace me while it's true? It's all good now. Well, it's nothing, nothing, nothing. That's all it's you and mine. And these tears, that's all it's you and mine.
Please don't stop the video stop. Please don't stop the video stop. Please don't stop the video stop. Please don't stop the video stop.